I made the mistake of comparing myself to other people. This got me, and it's probably going to get you too at some point in time if it hasn't already. But I would look at other people who were exercising, other people who were on a diet or trying to lose weight, and I would start comparing my results to their results. I would look at somebody who lost 20 pounds in 4 or 5 weeks, and I would kind of be a little jealous, wondering, hey, they lost 20 pounds in 4 or 5 weeks. Why can't I lose 20 pounds in 4 or 5 weeks? Or I see somebody else who had lost 150 pounds over 1 year and wonder, well, why can't I lose 150 pounds in 1 year? Or I would look at somebody that was losing steady. Every month they were losing 10 pounds and wonder why my weight loss wasn't steady 10 pounds lost every month. Made me wonder why my progress was different than their progress when it seemed like we were doing the same thing. This turned out to be a huge mistake because it would make me very, very frustrated that other people seemed to be having an easier time losing weight. I was frustrated that other people were getting the results that I wanted, but I couldn't get. And thinking about that and being frustrated about it took away from my own progress. Just for an example, if I saw somebody that lost 10 pounds in a month and I went through that whole month and only lost 4 pounds, I would get upset and feel like I should give up and try to find another diet because I only lost 4 pounds while they lost 10 pounds. I never realized that 4 pounds lost is 4 pounds lighter than I was. And as long as I kept that steady, in a year, I would be down 48 pounds. So what changed for me was I started to ignore other people's results. I mean, I still watch the videos or read the stories about other people who had lost lots of weight to for motivation, to keep me interested, to see that it was possible, especially whenever I was feeling frustrated and feeling down. But I really focused on my own journey. I tracked my own weight every day. I looked at my own results, and then it helped me focus much more on how well I was doing and how much progress I was actually making. So I stopped becoming frustrated and became more excited over my own personal results. And what I learned was the only comparison that I needed to make was between me today and me yesterday. And as long as me today was better than the me yesterday, everything was fine. If you're struggling and want some help, check out my free Skool community. That's where I post additional content, answer questions, help people stay on track. I'll put the link below in the description. As always, thank you for watching the video. Stay strong.